1. 2-bedroom log cabin with sleeping loft. Holiday Max 1. 85 meters squared by 9.12 meters by 92 millimeters. The Holiday Max 1 has 70 square meters of space on the ground floor and additional 4 x 5 meters upper loft space for storage or sleepover. Standard cabin kit features 92mm wall thickness for superb strength and stability, double glazed tempered safety glass doors and windows, premium quality tilt and turn window systems. There are multi-lock door systems, strengthening metal rods in walls, extra thick 28mm floorboards, 94mm thick foundation beams, and all the other wooden cabin components made of carefully selected Nordic spruce. For significantly better thermal performance, we recommend our floor and roof insulation kits at very competitive prices, which, together with heating, would allow you to use this cabin all year round in most parts of the UK and Ireland. Our installation team can assemble this log cabin within 7 to 8 days.